Welcome to the Small Business Bookkeeping Step-by-Step tutorial. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up the workbook, record income and expenses, manage invoices, and review the automatic reports. We will use the actual sheet file, and we will move slowly enough for a first-time user to follow every step. Start on the Welcome sheet. This page is the map of the entire workbook. On the left, you can see what each sheet is for. On the right, the Quick Start section gives the correct order, complete setup first, record transactions, track invoices, review the monthly summary, and finish with the dashboard. The important idea is simple. Welcome to the Small Business Bookkeeping Step-by-Step tutorial. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up the workbook, record income and expenses, manage invoices, and review the automatic reports. We will use the actual sheet file, and we will move slowly enough for a first-time user to follow every step. Start on the Welcome sheet. This page is the map of the entire workbook. On the left, you can see what each sheet is for. On the right, the Quick Start section gives the correct order, complete setup first, record transactions, track invoices, review the monthly summary, and finish with the dashboard. The important idea is simple. Input sheets come first, and report sheets come later. Next, open the instruction sheet. This page explains what you should enter, what the workbook calculates automatically, and which areas you should not overwrite. Use setup for business information and lists. Use transactions and invoices for daily work. Monthly summary, expense breakdown, and dashboard or report sheets. You normally review those sheets instead of typing over their formulas. Now open Setup. This is the control center for the workbook. The business information area stores the business name, owner name, email, phone number, currency symbol, fiscal year, and tax reference rates. The green lists on the right control categories, accounts, payment methods, and invoice statuses. Completing the sheet first keeps your drop-down choices and reports consistent. Let us make a few real edits. Click the business name cell and replace the sample name with Northstar Studio. Then update the owner name and email address. You can also review the default payment method, fiscal year, and category lists. Enter information only in the clear input cells. Do not type over headings or formula areas. After each entry, press Enter and confirm that the value remains in the correct row. Open Transactions. This is the daily bookkeeping log, and each row represents one business activity. Move from left to right. Enter the date. Choose income or expense. Select a category and account. Add a short description. Identify the client or vendor. Choose the payment method, and enter a positive amount. The month and net amount columns are calculated for you. Income becomes a positive net amount, while an expense becomes negative. We will enter one income transaction in the first empty row. The date is March 10, 2026. The type is income. Choose services as the category and business checking as the account. Enter website consulting project as the description, Northstar Studio as the client, and bank transfer as the payment method. Enter $1,250, zero tax, invoice number INV1013, and the note project payment. Watch the month column display March and the net amount display a positive $1,250. Now enter one expense on the next row. Use March 12, 2026. Choose expense, software, and business checking. Enter monthly design software for the description, software vendor for the vendor, and credit card for the payment method. Enter $49, zero tax, leave the invoice number blank, and add the note monthly subscription. The month appears automatically, and the net amount becomes negative $49. This sign difference is what allows the reports to separate revenue from spending. Open Invoices. Each row tracks one bill that you sent to a client. The key fields are invoice number, date, client, description, amount, due date, status, and paid date. In the first empty row, enter invoice INV1013, dated March 10th, for Northstar Studio. Use website consulting project as the description, $1,250 as the amount, and April 10th as the due date. Set the status to unpaid and add the note website project. The balance column should show the full amount because payment has not been recorded yet. Now record the payment. Click the status cell and change unpaid to paid. Then enter March 28, 2026 in the paid date column. As soon as the status changes, the balance becomes zero, and days overdue also returns to zero. This is an important automatic result. You enter the payment information once, and the invoice reports update from that row. Open monthly summary after entering transactions and invoices. Find the March row. Revenue now includes the new consulting payment. Expenses include the new software cost, and gross profit is revenue minus expenses. Invoiced and collected come from the invoices sheet, and collection rate compares the collected amount with the invoiced amount. Scroll down to the chart to compare monthly revenue and expenses visually. You do not type into this sheet. You use it to review results. Next, open Expense Breakdown. The software category now includes the $49 entry, and the percentage is recalculated automatically. The DOMA chart helps you see which categories use the largest share of spending. Then open Dashboard. Read the KPI totals first: total revenue, total expenses, gross profit, invoiced amount, and collection rate. Below the totals, review the monthly trend, invoice status, expense mix, and the charts. The dashboard is the final review page, not the place where you enter daily records. For the Google Sheets version, open the Access PDF and click the Template button. In Google Sheets, choose File, then make a copy, rename the file, and save it in your own Google Drive. Work only in your personal copy. Your simple routine is this: complete setup once, add transactions and invoices as work happens, review monthly summary and expense breakdown, and finish with dashboard. Keep a clean original copy before major customization. Thank you for using the Small Business Bookkeeping template.